Hello and kia ora friends. Today we are going to talk about one of the popular herbs used in cooking. It's a must for lamb roast and stews and pastas. Yes, you guessed it right. It's the aromatic and flavorful rosemary. Welcome to Swap to Green and I'm Swapna. In our series on herbs, we'll be doing different segments here, like identifying a particular herb, benefits of the herb, different DIY stuff that you can make out of these herbs, and how useful they are for our health. Rosemary is perennial, which means it grows for more than 2 years. Isn't that awesome? How does it look? Some may mistake it for lavender, but the leaves and stems are much sturdier and it has darker leaves. This rosemary was planted 8 years ago. Want to grow it? We will also do a different segment on how to grow rosemary from cuttings or from seedlings soon. So moving forward, rosemary can be used in cooking, used for health benefits, bodily perfumes and also in essential oils, which again will be covered in a different video. Now, our rosemary not only tastes good, but is also an excellent source of iron, calcium and vitamin B6. You can consume it as dried whole or in powdered form in your cooking or even make herbal tea for yourself. As for me, I love to enjoy different types of herbal tea and rosemary is a favorite only after mint. You'll be surprised to know that from ancient times, people used to use this herb to treat muscle pain, improve memory power, boost the immune and circulatory system, and also promotes hair growth. But one note of caution, be careful how much you consume rosemary if you are consuming it. Do find out if you have a medical condition. For that matter, please check with your doctor before you try out any natural alternatives because very high doses can cause vomiting and even coma. So, those are the benefits of rosemary. And we'll have different segments on how to plant rosemary plants, how to propagate them from cuttings, pruning them, on drying the leaves and making rosemary oil at home, and also learn how to make herbal tea with rosemary. At Swap to Green, we focus on going back to nature for a healthy and enriching lifestyle. As part of this endeavor, we focus on plants and their health benefits, on recycling and sustainability. In short, anything that takes us back to nature. If you want to be a part of this movement, do subscribe and click on the notification button so that you don't miss out an update. Think green, act green, swap to green.